Let's enjoy.
Ano ko ninyo ang tahon sa mo? Naka-practice na.
That you have come to share your life with us. Let's be close to be strong and to lean on.
Anong namatyagan mo man nakabulig ka mo sa section nyo sa mga kabataan subong?
Actually, as a food committee, kaysa maghatag kami Jollibee, daw kisa lang sila makakaon Jollibee mo. Kaya daw, bida ang sayagin
Correct.
sa food committee. So, amazing na ang experience nila.
Personally, ang namatsagan ko is very heartwarming. Okay? So what it is written, di ba, nga para ma-love mo kung si God or ma-love mo si Lord, dapat i-share mo ang imong blessing sa iban through this service or community service. Dito ko gid na-feel nga hala ka nami gali mag-share, hala ka nami gali like it's like the Lord is with us because of that grateful feeling.
Same man with Luke, very heartwarming din siya. Kagabilib ko, binga kita how we are all instruments of God to do good things. And thankfully, or we are also grateful na nagaan kami sa muling opportunity na maka-give back sa ila.
Very happy. Hi. Even though the small thing naman siya lang for us. Sa ila, nakakagib na help. And of course, thankful mo kami sa mga sponsors. Kay, of course, they are the one yet na nakahelp sa mga to make this happen. And first time ko lang sa song nag-cry na, oh my gosh. Oo ba sa happy ko na happy sila.
Sa mga students na hindi lang sila ang nag-alert, kami pa mismo, ng mga members ng faculty, we are learning. So, mas nag-progress, mas nag-develop ang ato na partnership. So,
So, yung mga successful man lang yung program, nakatag man kita balasang kalipay sa kabataan.
Oo, very successful gid. And congratulations to you, 3D, for preparing all of this from morning to afternoon session. Makita taman ang yuhum, no? Ang genuine nga yuhum kagalipay sa mga bata. Which is, for me, it's really one of the priceless, no? Na we always look forward. We're bringing learnings to them and ginapangapay tagid nga they will live it every day.
Ano ang nagpursigi sa imo para magbulig sa mga kabataan?
Actually, ang do by chance lang, no? Na, sa una, sa DSSD ako, I was employed. And I was the department head of the DSSD when I retired. So, after retirement, wala lang, looking lang for what other possible work natin. Daw kaya pa man. Pero, retired ka na, so, it so happened, nag-refer ako dito sa friend. Tiga kinanglan sila consultant. So, dire ko gin-assign. Dire ako nilagay na kasulod. Pero after a while we are preparing for the accreditation and licensing, nagamba sila nga dapat may permanent executive director. So, bigin push ko nila. Not considering the money involved. Sa pila lang basta it's a mission. So, amo na ang adaari ko din. So, nagpursige sa akin. This is another venue where I can practice my profession. From the bigger tasks sa una, na-focus ko sa mga bata sa likod. Nami, it's very rewarding. Kaya parang it's a mission for me.
For this wonderful journey we had together, I even shared to Doc Mike that section B is a very productive section.
I start with my message, I would like to thank thanks to you.
Ang stress. Ako mismo, kay tungkol. Doon ka tumutang sa sa Ako na, ito, weeks before pa, 1 month gid, 2 months gid ang kalugit para lang we are blessed because of how the program goes. We are blessed because of all of you.